installation of the XPC-2PRAIL. We start out by installing the cage or keeper nuts at 2U increments. You see I have my first shelf here installed at positions 26 and 27. Then we have the keeper nuts installed at 28 and 29 and 30 and 31. So this would be for installation of our 3-module system, the P91 5K, with the UPS module, the battery module, and the transformer module. We're also using this 2-post rack kit with our P91 1.5 and P91 3K UPS as well. As you can see, the 2PRAIL kit does come in 2 separate pieces. They're symmetrical, so it doesn't matter which is right or which is left. You can see here I went ahead and mounted the right rail kit into the 2-post rack using the provided hardware. So I've gone ahead and placed the P91 1.5 kVA on the XPC 2PRAIL kit. As you can see, this is our 2U application, but in a 6U application for our P91, we would have our UPS module, our battery module, and our transformer module populated in 6U. Typically for an installation, you would install these lower in the rack to lower the center of gravity of the system. For the demo, just for the demo, to make it easy to see, I kind of put it at eye level here. But again, we would kind of put it towards the bottom of the 2-post rack. So lastly, to secure the UPS or UPS module onto the shelf or onto the rail kit, as you can see here, you'll see this in any data center where they're using a 2-post rack where equipment doesn't have the ability to be fastened to the posts in the back. We have here just normal banding material. Really any banding or strap or thick cable tie can be used to hold the UPS components in position, and that's industry standard. You'll see it a lot in telecom rooms. Even bare batteries are strapped to shelves using this banding material.